Hi everyone, this is Sandy Creating the Heart, and I'm back with a let's make a card together kind of thing, and I'm also going to be doing a card share as well. So this is all about using ephemera. So making quick cards using ephemera, and so that's kind of what I'm doing, but today I'm going to jazz it up by doing a shaker. And the shaker mix I'm using is called Strawberry Chiller from the Magical Mixery store. They got some very cute mixes, and so I'm excited to show you guys those. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing a slimline card. So my card measures 8 by, I believe, 3.5. And I am using this wonky window from Whimsy Stamps, I think. So this is like one of the very first sort of like, I want to say slimline products that I ever bought, and I use it all the time. It's like the one that's like my go-to. So I've got a window here all ready to go, and what I need to do is I need to fit in my, okay, so I need to fit in these other pieces because they need to go down. So they need to go down. Okay, so I'm going to and so I'm going to, let's see. I don't know how to get this so that it just fits perfectly in there. Okay, so that's good. And then this one is good. And then this one. Okay. Oh, no. Get it in the window. Okay, let's try this again because I didn't have my thing on straight. So let's do this again. So let's see here. Because I want it, it's going to have to, all right, there's that one. So there's another better way probably, but I don't like to waste paper, so. And okay, there's that and that and okay. Oh no, still doesn't want to. Okay, whew. Got it. Finally, make sure. Okay, good enough. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to put our lovely sprinklies down. And there we go. Okay, so you put your mix down. And one stuck to my finger. Okay, so then you make sure they're where they're supposed to be. Okay, so I'm going to take this off. And I could definitely use some more thin foam tape. I think I'm almost out. And And then I'll show you the other cards that I made. I made a mini slim, and then I made another slimline. Okie dokie. Then and put that down, and then press it down really well so that you have everything secure before you start going crazy and shaking it up. There we go. So then I've got my ephemera pieces. So all this ephemera comes from the Not Too Shabby Shop April box. And so I finally opened that sucker up and found that there is a lot going on. Okay, so there's that. And I think this ephemera is my favorite. There's that one. And then I've got this sentiment which says, keep life zesty up here. So here's my card using the paper and slimline products. And of course you can make your own. You could just take a die and die cut whatever shape that you want. So it says shaker, and then I'm using ephemera. So very simple and easy and fun. Here are the other products that I used. So this one right here is a slimline, and I used this CC Designs die to kind of, because this 4 squares and then this long rectangle. And then I did kind of a lemon theme. I really like that. It's really pretty. And then this one is a slimline shaker. And so it's kind of funny because I feel like these sort of cartoony faces, which I love, mixed in with sort of the more serious, like the lemons, it kind of confuses me. But I just kind of put them all together. And I'm using a different mix. I'm using a mix that I got from Not Too Shabby Shop. It was one of the free gift, so I got it with purchase. And I think it was from Cat Scrappiness, possibly. I think it said on there. Anyway, what happened was that this is the wonky die, but only 2 windows is what this one is. So this is 2 windows, and it fits on a slimline. If you do 2 windows, it fits on a slimline, so it's perfect. And then I just did my shaker bits in here, and I put my little ephemera, and I'm good to go. So here are the cards. All of them are different, but they're all like slimline variations. And so here they are, and I really like them a lot. I don't always like the cards with ephemera, but I think this ephemera is my favorite. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy of Playing with the Heart.